I always believe parents are the best teachers to their children. Autistic brain, it is truly fascinating because sometimes these... Hello everyone, this is Padma Tarini, speech language pathologist. Welcome to my channel Born to Win Padma Tarini. Have you ever stopped to consider how children experience this world? For a child with autism, it is almost like everything is filtered through an unique lens which exaggerates even the faintest smell, faintest sound and the faintest taste. So that is why some children behave very oddly. For example, some children keep making noises and some children love to lick all the objects available and some children keep smelling all the objects available. At the same time, some children hate loud noise such as mixer grinder sound and hair dryer sound and they keep running out of the room whenever they hear the sound. And sometimes some children hate some certain smell and taste. That is why they become picky eaters. This shows that these children always have lots of data to process and analyze. That is why they feel overwhelmed and they have difficulty in attending to a particular task. So when you take an autistic brain, it is truly fascinating because sometimes these children have very hyper-focusing ability, such as they keep engrossed in a particular activity and do it for hours together. For example, they keep jumping from a chair repeatedly for hours together without having any undivided attention. At the same time, they might not be able to attend to a particular task when we are forcing them to do it. Today, I am going to explain about this attention and concentration skill in two parts. In the first part, we are going to see why do these children lack attention and concentration. In the second part, I am going to give you 5 ideas to boost your children's attention and concentration skills. Before going to this video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications. Give a like to this video and share it with your friends and relatives. Let's start with the first part. Why do these children lack attention and concentration? This happens mainly because of 2 reasons. These children are not able to judge which task to give importance. Imagine yourself when you are watching TV and something interesting is going outside your house. What do you do that time? Just turn off the TV volume and go outside to see what is happening. In that point of view, you are able to judge which task is important for you. So these children are not able to judge that way. That is the reason they are not able to concentrate on a particular task. The second reason is they don't know which one is interesting and which one is not interesting. Second reason is these children are not able to concentrate because they are least interested in what you show. If they are interested in a particular task, they keep engrossed in particular activity for hours together. But at the same time, when they are not interested in that activity, they will not be bothered about that activity. They will not show any interest towards that activity. So these are the main reasons for your child for not showing any improvement in attention and concentration skills. Let's move on to the second part. Here I am going to give you 5 ideas to boost your child's attention and concentration skills. Now let's see one by one. First one is making eye contact. Eye contact is a basic social skill that every child needs to learn. Eye contact shows that your child is attending to you. It shows that they are interested in you. So make sure your child has enough eye contact before you teach them anything. When you want your child to respond to their name call, just keep an object and just keep an interesting object and just keep it near your eyes so that the child will look at the object and then the child will start looking at you. So whenever you call them, keep an object in front of your face and then make them to look at it. And when they start looking at it, please encourage them for having a good eye contact. If you want more ideas about developing eye contact to your children, I have already made a video. Please go back and watch it and I have given the link in the description box. Second idea is to engage your child in activities of interest. If your child is interested in ball game, just play throw and catch. This will increase their attention span because they are interested in that activity. And if your child is interested in cars, give him some 10 to 15 colorful cars and make him to arrange one by one, so that the child will able to understand and concentrate for longer duration by arranging the cars one by one. If the child is able to do it, increase the complexity and give him another object and make him to arrange it one by one. So that in that way you can make them to concentrate on a particular activity for a longer duration. Third idea is to make your child do close-ended activity. That is, have an activity which is very short, because only then your child will get interested to do that activity. If your activity keep on going and it is very long, the child will lose the interest to do it. So make sure you do it very short and very simple. If you have some 50 beads in a box, don't give them all the 50 beads together. Just give them 10 beads and ask them to string it. Once they complete it, then give another set of beads. Once they are able to do it properly, then increase the complexity of the task. That is, ask them to sort colors and then string it. Like ask them to string 2 red, 2 blue and 2 green. And ask them to string 1 blue, 1 red, 1 green and 1 yellow. So that in that way you can increase the complexity of a task and make your child to concentrate for a longer duration. Fourth idea is to repeat what your child says and does, whether it is a verbal or it is a physical activity. If your child smiles, just give a smile. If your child claps your hand, you also clap your hand. If your child sings a rhyme, you also sing a rhyme. If your child jumps, you too can jump. Similarly, your child will start expecting you to jump or do any activity. So once your child starts expecting, it means the child is concentrating on your activity. Once your child starts concentrating on your activity, you can encourage your child to imitate or copy you in order to further increase their attention span. Fifth idea is to encourage your child for paying attention. You should closely observe your child's behavior, and whenever they start concentrating on a particular task, just encourage them saying, "It's good, you're concentrating on this too much, very good. I really appreciate your concentration." If you appreciate them, they'll get more interested towards an activity and they'll definitely able to improve their attention and concentration skills. Okay parents, today we learned why do these children lack attention and concentration skills and 5 ideas to boost their attention and concentration skills. So try out all these activities at home and don't forget to give me your feedback. I always believe parents are the best teachers to their children. So I always look forward for your feedbacks. If you have some other ideas to improve the concentration skill of a child, please share it in the comment box. I'm looking forward for your comments and feedback. Meet you again in another video. Until then, it is thank you and bye bye.